So let's take a look at how we make a star in Illustrator. I want to head over to my left-hand panel, hold and select the star tool. Now, if I come over onto my canvas and click and drag out, you'll see the star is created, and I'm holding this. I have a few options on my right here. If I hold Shift, I hold the star central. If I hold Alt, I bring the sides in to create a star with equal sides, and I can hold Shift as well to keep this in the center. And then if I use the arrow keys, if I go up, I add more points to the star, and if I push down on the arrow key, I add less points to the star. So you can create a shape depending on what you're looking for. Remember to hold while you're doing this. Once you release, then you'll create your shape. Okay, so once I'm happy with my star, I'm going to release it. I want to make sure that my smart guides are on. View smart guides. I'm going to go to the pen tool, and I'm going to use the pen tool to create this connected section here. This will allow me to get the central point of the star. Make sure my rulers are showing as well. View rulers. Select the star. I'm going to drag the ruler there to get that central point. And I'm also then going to come to my shape panel and click and drag to the center. If I zoom in and pull a ruler down to this central point here and delete this, now I have my guides to work with. I'll make this a different color so that we can see it. And then if I highlight these and go to Object, Lock, Selection, I can now hold these in place without messing around with them. Let's switch this back to white fill, black stroke, come to my pen tool, and now I can use this to draw out the segments of each path. And because I've got my smart guides on, I know I'm snapping these directly to the right point. So once I've drawn out all 5 of these segments, I can then use the direct selection tool. So I'll zoom in to see this a little closer. Click and drag so I get these 2 points here. And then I can drag these down to the center point. Do the same with this section. Click and drag. Click and drag. And then last but not least, click and drag here. So now I've got this beautiful star shape. I can then, if I go to View, Guides, Hide Guides, I can now see this. The last thing I want to do then, I can add a little bit of color to this. So if I select the alternating, holding Shift and clicking, segments, come to my swatches, give these a nice yellow color. And then I'll do the same with the inside segments then. And then maybe then I can choose a different color for these, something a little darker, just so I get the feel of a shadow and a 3D effect. So there you have it. That's how you make a star in Illustrator using some simple drawing techniques and some of the shape tools. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you got what you need from it. Please subscribe, turn on notifications. Let me know in the comments what you thought of this tutorial and any other future tutorials you'd like me to do, and I will see you next time for the next tutorial.